Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick little video about time in case our internet gets spotty or something happens. Um, I just want everybody to be able to still get their math lesson, even though this afternoon the weather looks like it's going to just be getting more and more crazy. So, this is just a little review about the things that we've learned about the clock so far so that everybody is on the same page. So, first of all, we've got the clock and we have something called the clock face. The clock face is the part where all the numbers are. So, this is the clock face, and that's what helps us read and tell what time it is, the clock face, because of the numbers. We've got our hour hand, which is our shorter hand. On this clock, it's black. On different clocks, it could be a different color, but on this clock, it's black. Our minute hand on this clock is green. Remember, it could be different colors on other clocks. But the thing that's always the same is that the minute hand is always the longer hand of the two. The times that we've reviewed so far are oclock, which is when the minute hand is pointing straight up. 15, so 15 minutes into the hour, when the minute hand is pointing through the 3 to the 15. The 30, which is halfway through the hour, and we've got the minute hand pointing through the 6 down to the 30. And then the 45, which is where the minute hand points through the 9, and that is 3/4 of the way through the hour. So let's look at some times here, and let's notice how our hands move. So this time that I'm showing right now is 9 o'clock. My minute hand is pointing straight up at the O clock. My hour hand is pointing straight at the 9. Now watch as I move to 9:15. What happens to the hour hand? My minute hand is now here at the 15, pointing through the 3. So that's showing me 9:15. My hour hand is no longer pointing straight at the 9 because it's moved into the hour of 9. It's moved into the hour of 9 about 15 minutes. It's still close, but it's not pointing straight at it. So my hour hand is moving through the hour of 9 just the same way that my minute hand is moving around the whole clock. Let's move now to 9:30. So this is showing 9:30. My minute hand pointing straight down to the 30 down here. And my hour hand is pointing right in the middle of 9 and 10. The reason that it's pointing in the middle is because it's halfway through the hour of 9. We have halfway finished walking through the hour of 9. So it's halfway in between the 9 and the 10, this hour hand is. It's still 9:30. We've not gotten to 10 yet, but we're getting closer every minute. Now watch as my minute hand moves to the 9 here. This is now showing 9:45. Notice how my hour hand has not passed the 10 yet. It's still in between the 9 and the 10. And my minute hand is here pointing through the 9 to the 45. And then one more time, I'll move it up here to the 12, to the o'clock position. And now we're showing 10 o'clock. We've got the minute hand pointing straight up and the hour hand pointing straight at 10. Let's do another example. All right, so this is showing, what time? This is showing 1 o'clock. Very good. The minute hand's pointing straight up. Hour hand's pointing right at the 1. So if this is 1 o'clock, what time is this? This is showing 1:15. The hour hand is in between the 1 and the 2. The minute hand is pointing right at the 15. What time is it showing on my clock now? This is showing 1:30. My hour hand is right in the middle of the 1 and the 2. And my minute hand is pointing down at the 30 through the 6. What time is this? This is showing 1:45. So we've got 1:45 here. Notice how my hour hand is not to the 2 yet. It's not touching that 2 yet. It's getting close, but it's not there yet. And my minute hand is right at the 45 going through that 9. And then finally, we make it to 2 o'clock. Very, very good. Okay, so that is a little quick review about the clock. And that is a little quick review for our math. Guys, remember that when we're doing the 30s, when we're showing halfway through the hour, this would be showing 2:30. Notice that my hour hand is not pointing right at the 2. It's pointing in between the 2 and the 3. Okay? Because we're halfway through the hour of 2. So the hour hand is in between the 2 and the 3. I've noticed that on Seesaw that some of us are making the mistake of drawing the minute hand in the right spot, but putting the hour hand pointing right at the 2. That doesn't show 2:30. This shows 2:30. Okay? So take a look. Thank you for listening, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.